Moving on, a new age company executives made a blockbuster entry into the $1 million CXO club in FY25, and that's according to an analysis of BSE 200 companies by executive search firm EMA Partners India. They captured 4 out of the top 10 slots in the $1 million CXO list. My colleague Shivani Gharat gives you all the analysis.
Now, big money is no longer just for the old guard. In FY25, new age CXOs stormed right into India's elite $1 million club, bagging 4 of the top 10 spots. Their pay packages, in fact, swelled. Total CXO compensation jumped 36%, surging to a whopping 7,025 crore rupees. So who's leading the charge? Well, it's Policy Bazaar's co-founder Yashesh Dahiya, as you can see, with a jaw-dropping 641.32 crore rupees in compensation. That included 638.35 crore in exercise stock options. His co-founder also made it to the list. His co-founder and executive vice chairman Alok Bansal, as you can see, was third with a 247.98 crore rupees in compensations. That included ESOPs. Now, Swiggy's done well too. 2 of its top executives, including co-founder Sriharsha Majety, made the list, along with Lakshmi Nandan Reddy Obul, whole-time director and head of innovation at Swiggy, at 6th position with a total compensation of 90.28 crore rupees, 88.33 crore from ESOPs. And Sriharsha Majety, who's a co-founder and group CEO of Swiggy, at 9th with a total compensation of 76.61 crore rupees, 74.75 crore from ESOP. So what's driving this entire pay bonanza? Boards are now rewarding founders not just for the vision but for operational performance as well. Additionally, several founder or promoter-led companies also, particularly in the new age and digital consumer retail sectors, went public this year. Going forward, with a number of startups planning IPOs, it's likely that several in their top management will make an entry into this particular elite $1 million club, especially through ESOP's valuation going forward.